The dirt is getting trucked into Ball Arena, all because Monster Jam is back, baby. Kelly had the chance to chat with one of the drivers. Buckle up and check this out.
Matt, I am so excited to be talking to you today. My nephew, Thomas, he is obsessed with Monster Jam, and you are his favorite. So let's jump right in. Let's say one of our viewers has never been to Monster Jam before. Bring us inside the arena.
As for Monster Jam, if you've never been before, I mean, we like to say it's unpredictable, unforgettable, and I love when people come in for the first time ever because they're building memories. I mean, they think we're just some big trucks that are just driving over cars, but what we're about to do and what we're about to perform in front of them is gonna blow your minds if it's for your first time. So, man, it's just from the start to the finish, nonstop action.
Well, we are excited to have you here in Denver, but let's back up a little bit. How the heck did you get into driving monster trucks?
Well, I like to tell everybody I had a sign that said "Please hire me," and I just stood outside by the road. But no, I mean, pretty close. I had a local Hall of Famer here in Hagerstown, Maryland, where I'm from, and he has four trucks. And I honestly, I did. I rode my bike back to his shop, and I just kind of was that little kid that just, I guess, wouldn't leave. And he took me in. He took me under his wing, and I swept floors, cleaned the trucks, anything I could do to get to where I wanted to be. And every door that opened up, I ran through it. And as years went on, I got to drive the semi. I got to move the trucks, work on them more, learn more. And next thing you know, I was asked if I wanted to drive, and I was like, "What kind of question is that?" Absolutely. And it blew up from there. So I started driving for him, and Gravedigger called in 2023, and who's going to turn Gravedigger away?
Right? Oh, Matt, I don't even know you, and I'm so proud of you. I've got chills. Okay, what goes through your mind when you get behind the wheel of Grave Digger?
A lot, because I mean, it's the most well-known Monster Jam truck in the world. I've been all over the world with it, to anywhere in the United States, all the way to Abu Dhabi to Australia. I never thought that a Monster Jam truck would take me that far, but man, when I'm strapped in, I try not to show the nerves, but there is. I mean, people expect a Gravedigger run every time you come out, 110%.
Mm.
I watched a lot of legends growing up driving it, so I mean, I know what to expect. I sat in the stands, and now I'm in the seat, so I like to give back. And man, I sit there, try to plan my run on how I'm going to crash and entertain these fans.
Oh, I love it. So this is not for the faint of heart. What's the craziest, wildest thing that's happened to you behind the wheel?
Everything, anytime you get in a Monster Jam truck, I mean, it's wild and crazy. Even at the Ball Arena, like I said, I've never been there, but it doesn't matter if it's Ball Arena or if it's all the way on the other side of the world. What we do with these trucks inside these hockey arenas is going to amaze everybody. I mean, backflips to the moonwalks where we're bouncing them on the front tires, reverse, the forward. I mean, it's crazy. From when I watched it as a kid to now, blows my mind still.
Oh, I love it. Okay, you mentioned traveling all over the world for your job, but what's life really like on the road? I know you have kids. What's it like?
I mean, I don't know anything different because it's all I've ever done. Like I said, from when I was about the age of 13, just when I'd get out of school in the summer, I'd hit the road with his name was Mike Botters, and we'd go around, do all kinds of events, and then Monster Jam, and it's another day for me. I do like to come home because I do have four kids, and I got my
Yeah.
wife and the house and everything, so it is nice to have home time. But man, I do enjoy traveling. I enjoy seeing the world, seeing new places, new towns, meeting new people, seeing what they have to offer. And man, maybe one day I can take it all back home and put it into a little box and make my own little world restaurant.
Oh, I love that. That's so cool. Okay, real quick before we let you go, let's say I'm a huge Monster Jam super fan. How can I get the most out of the experience?
Saturday mornings and Sunday mornings. Saturday at 10:30 a.m. and Sunday at 9:30 a.m. We do a pit party, man. That's where we get to come down and
Ooh.
meet all the drivers. Get close and personal, see the trucks, feel the trucks. Bring whatever you got. Bring all your shirts, your toys, your hats, and we hang out for an hour and a half. We sign autographs. You get to see the big, massive jumps that we do, and from there we go into the event. And like I said, four events, Friday to Sunday, and three competitions: racing, two-wheel skills competition, which is where I said about bouncing on the front tires and the back tires, and whatever we could do to amaze you, and then the fan favorite freestyle, 60 to 75 seconds. So whatever we want to do, including the backflip. So you can't miss it. There's not a bad seat in the house.
Oh, man. Matt, thank you so much for joining us today, and good luck here in Denver. We'll be watching you.
Hey, I can't wait. Thank you.
Monster Jam is coming to Ball Arena February 6th through the 8th. Get your tickets now at monsterjam.com. They sponsor today's segment. Hold on, though.